Hey guys, big fella here again today. Today we're going to talk to you about putting up the annex on the Icon E2 Elite. But before we start, the components that you're going to need here in front of us, anti-flap kit and the annex as a bag. Both optional. You can option the anti-flap kit and the bag later, or if you do get the annex, you do need the anti-flap kit to install it. So let's move on to installing it. Okay guys, step one, first step we've got to do is raise the roof. Raise the roof about 300 mil to make it easy for you. All you need to do, push up the up button, let it raise to about 300 mil. When it's where you want it, just hit the down button once and the roof will stop in that location. Okay guys, next step, just push the kitchen clothes out of your way. Grab your awning pole, which is in the storage compartment on the front of your van. Just bend it into the S shape, ready to go. Hook it through the eyelet and then wind your awning out to about halfway. Okay, next step, once you've got your awning out halfway, just unclip your leg with both hands, just pop the foot end out, pop the swivel end out, lower the awning, just undo the tensioner on the leg, push the leg down till it's on the ground, and lock it up. Okay, move to the other side, pull the second leg out, same as you did with the first leg, pull it down, lock it in place, just make sure that the legs are down supporting the roof, so when you wind your annex out, it's all supported. Okay guys, next job, go and grab yourself your anti-flap kit out of the storage compartment. Comes in two parts. Little hint, the writing, the sticker on the outside goes to the outside of the awning. Put them together, ensuring that your sail track lines up on the inside. Next step, hook the little metal tab into the tab in the roof. Put the other side up so it goes onto the fin. Tighten it up, extend it out and tighten it up. And then slowly but surely start from one end, putting your clips on to hold your roof in place. Okay guys, next thing is to take the awning out of the bag. You have two ends, front end, a rear end, and a side. To work out which one goes where, just make sure the mesh always goes towards the inside. So let's show how it slides on. So you're grabbing the front K-Dar, you slide it into the sail track, and you slowly slide it towards the front of the annex. You come round to the rear, grabbing the front end of it, slip it into the middle again, into the sail track, sliding it towards the van. Once you've got those slid in place, there's a little flap in the center here that you undo on the Velcro. You put that around your sail track and back onto itself, and that just holds this in place, nice and neat and tidy. Okay, go. The next part is you have two of these, what we call tails inside with the Velcro on. They're two different lengths. Grab the shortest one, and this needs to go into the sail track down the front, ensuring that the Velcro faces the front of the van. So grab your K-Dar edge, it slides inside the sail track, and just feed it down, carefully down through here, pull it down till it lines up at the bottom. So it's aligning at the top and aligning at the bottom. The next thing we need to do is, when you're putting the annex up, this actually fits onto there, but we'll do that once we're in place. Hey guys, we've moved to the other end. Obviously take the other end canvas that's sitting in there and just repeat what you did on the other side. So grabbing the front end, just feed it into the sail track, sliding it towards the front of the van until it goes to the very edge. Then grabbing the rear, feed it back through the sail track on the inside here. Again, sliding it all the way forward until it goes to the very front of the van. And then remembering what we said before, the little flap in the middle, over the top, back onto the Velcro, and your wall's nice and tight in place, ready to go. Okay guys, same as the front. Here's your second tail. The one you'll notice is this has got two bits of Velcro on it, and we'll show you what that's for soon. But again, sliding it into the sail track, just supporting it, pulling it all the way up to the lines with the top, and then we're ready to attach the wall. Okay guys, next step obviously is then to raise your roof. So pop into the kitchen, push your button, and let's just let that roof go up. Okay guys, one thing to remember, as your roof does go up, you will need to adjust the leg just to suit the height, making sure that it's on the ground and supporting the weight of the roof. Lock it back in place and you're ready to go. Okay guys, next part obviously then is to secure the side to the van. So just using your step that you get with your van, just fit the Velcro to the edge of here. We'll show you how to put that away when we go back inside. Moving back around to the side here, you grab your Velcro from here and you attach your Velcro to the Velcro down the side, just pushing that corner so it's in out of the way, and then just securing this down the Velcro. Okay guys, moving inside, again using your step, climb up on the step, the bit that was sticking out before, bring that around and tack it up inside, out of the way. You'll notice there's an eyelet here and a pin. Just put that over the eyelet and pop the pin down, and there you go, the corner's secured. Move around to the rear now, again using your step from the van, just line up your Velcro. Velcro lines up like this, push it up so it's a nice tight fit on the Velcro, pushing that up inside, and again we'll show you how that secures inside. On the back here you have a little press stud, just push the press stud down so this sits on top of here, and like the front, just line up your Velcro. That's a nice tight fit. You go, same as you did on the front, just grab your step, pop up here, pull that eyelet piece through, up over the eyelet hole, push the press stud down, and there we go. Okay guys, one of the other features of this is you actually get the draft skirt, which also forms part of the annex in the setup. So it's pretty simple. If you start off first, you see the door cut out, so starting from the front, just push on the press studs. Very, very simple. Just working from the front backwards. Just work around the door. And up we go, just one press stud at a time, just working in sequence. And we go, next one, next one. Next one, oh yeah, working my way down. And across the rear, into here. Now you will notice at each end there's a bit of Velcro. So that Velcro that we had at the back, you then just attach your draft skirt to that bit of Velcro. And that just completes your seal. The final piece of the puzzle is the long front wall, probably the easiest one of all to fit. Just put the Kadar, the rope edge into the sail track, and just supporting it, we just fit it along. Okay, just as it comes to the end here, pulling it through till it goes in the end, and making sure that it's nice and tight along the whole length. Guys, the final piece of the puzzle, obviously, if you want to put the whole thing up, is securing it together. Pretty simple. This goes inside the pole. You'll see Velcro here. That Velcro goes onto the Velcro all the way down. You can lock it all the way down. You've got the Velcro tabs, go around the post, and then you just continue clipping your corners, the Velcro corners together, all the way through. Guys, we're now back at the other side, so just repeating the same thing we did on the front, folding it over, run the Velcro down, put your Velcro around the poles to hold it in place. Okay, last thing guys, you'll see on the bottom there's all the little eyelets. We supply you the pegs as well. Peg it down to the ground, make it all nice and secure, so keeping unwanted people out or wind or rain out. And lastly is, hope that's helped you set up your annex on our Icon range. Happy camping.